Hey guys, I'm going to show a few new corals that I've got. Jasmine's in the corner, very nice coral. Down just a few purple mushrooms sat in there. New toadstool, all looking good. Green star polyps there, looking alright. Some green zoas right in the middle, looking good. And then 3 SPS corals up here, as you can see. The bird's nest at the back, turquoise bottle coral, not hard to kind of really get the picture on that front one, and then the back one there, I can't remember the name of that one, to be honest. All from Fishman's Frags, all doing really well. Tank's doing really well. Note my Duncan corals as well are starting to grow back now. Queen Angel's gone because he ate my Duncan corals, so parted company with him. Yellow Tang's coming, I don't know if I've shown you him on the last video, and Coral Beauty at the back, nice one hiding, very shy. Everything's doing really well. Noticed a big improvement in water quality with the M600 at the back there, going into the back. Massive improvement in water quality. Feed the guys a lot more now. Everyone's looking nice and fat and healthy. Torch is starting to go to bed because I've just put the whites back on to make the video. It was all under blues. It should have looked like this, but I didn't think that was the best to show you. It's been like that for about half an hour. I'll put the light back on. That's it really. Everyone's doing good. Tank's flourishing now. Not planning to add any more fish or corals at the minute. I'm going to see how the SPS's do. I'm just waiting for some Ecotech coral glue to come before I move them. They're just at the highest point in my tank where I can fit them at the minute, but I just want the bird's nest coral, which is that one there, to have. I want it to cover this whole corner if he grows. And I'm going to put a couple of the others on this side, one from there where the hermit crab is, and another down there, and hopefully they'll grow. But yeah, the aquatics there, T5 Light, doing really well. Just really need to change the bulbs aren't the best, but everything's running well. There's Coral Beauty coming out for a bit. Sure, she's a really nice fish, really fat. Got her from Foley's Pets in Swinton. Actually only live 2 minutes, if that, down the road from it, so he had loads of stacking over Christmas, so thought I'd treat myself. It was expensive. Ended up paying like £49, £50 for us, so, but one of the best looking ones I've seen in a long time of Coral Beauties, so I had to have her. Apart from that, everything's looking fine. That's it really.